Today we are looking at a brand new Hyperflow grain aerator. This unit is in nice condition. It has never been used. It has these extra wide perforations on the aeration tube. The aeration tube is in excellent shape. You can see the fins on the end of the tube here. These fins dig into the product and assist with getting the tube submerged up to the first collar here. This unit has really good airflow. In a minute I will demonstrate that when we plug it in. It is powered by single phase, 110 volts. You can see the plug here. The CFM of the fan is 745. It moves 745 cubic feet per minute. It turns at 2600 RPM. And the motor has an IP44 protection rating. That means this unit can be used to safely extract moisture from product. So if your product needs to be dry, the motor can handle moist conditions. It is also protected against small particles of product, so that makes it perfect for seed. This unit has a heavy-duty, high-quality impeller. In a minute you will see that running. It has a lot of fan blades on it, so that means it will move more air than other grain aerators. Let's plug it in so you can see this unit run. All right, I've plugged the unit in. You can hear it running. It takes about 10 seconds for it to get spooled up because the impeller is heavy, it's high quality, but you can hopefully hear the air blowing past the microphone. This moves a lot of air. Hums right along. This unit has seen no use. It is brand new. Hopefully you can hear that hissing there. That's the sound of air being pulled up and through the tube. When I put my hand on it, there's a good breeze coming over my hand. All right, I've got a standard piece of printer paper here. If I put that over it, it pulls it right around the aeration tube, and it's holding it down pretty hard. Now if I move it closer to the bottom, it sucks it right down, curls it right around the diameter of the tube. Let's see that again. So we're up here at the top, closest to the motor. Does a great job of sucking that down. And then when we're down here at the very bottom, it pulls it around effectively as well. That means we're getting good suction up the entire length of the perforations on the tube. This unit just hums right along. It also comes with this long 4-foot cord, which is something you don't see on other grain aerators. Now that we've unplugged it, we'll take it apart. Now you can see that the unit is broken into two pieces. We've got the aeration tube and the aeration fan. If you look down inside there, you can see all of those fan blades on the impeller. That's what gives this unit all of the airflow and suction. This is just an all-round nice unit. All right, we've installed the unit into a bag of rye that we had here at our shop. This rye was in a hot semi-trailer. And now I can feel air being pulled down through the rye, and then I can feel the air coming out of the top of the fan, and it is warm. So this is pulling air down and through the rye, and it is removing the hot air via the fan. Again, I can feel a slight breeze coming over my hand when I put it on the rye. This unit would do a great job on soybeans, corn, buckwheat, wheat, barley, or oats.
To make understanding how the Hyperflow aerator works, I've taken the time to draw up this basic diagram. This is the Hyperflow aerator. It's inserted into the product up past the first collar. Then it is plugged in, and the fan pulls air down and through the product that you're wanting to aerate. You can see these arrows here. They're marked airflow. We've also got some arrows down here that are marked moisture and heat. The air is pulled down and through the product, It is then taken up this tube here by the fan and then is expelled out the top. You can see it's removing heat and moisture here. It's pretty simple, but I figured I would draw this up to make sure that everyone understands how this unit works. Thank you for watching.